Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to apply glass screen protector. Firstly, use an alcohol wipe to remove oils and fingerprints. Wipe the screen dry in microfiber cloth, then use a dust removal sticker or to pick up any remaining dust particles. Do this in a dust-free environment to avoid particles getting under the protector. If your kit includes guide stickers or an alignment tray, use them to help position the protector. Peel off the backing film from the adhesive side of the protector and carefully align it with the edges, camera, and speaker cutouts. Gently lower the protector onto the screen. It should begin adhering automatically. If needed, press the center and let the adhesive spread outward. Use a microfiber cloth or plastic card to push out the air bubbles toward the edges, and if bubbles remain, lift your protector slightly from the edge rapidly. Thank you for watching.